Welcome to the first Better Care, Better Business podcast. I'm Deb Constance and I'm the founder and lead consultant for the Australian Allied Health Manual. I'm coming to you today to explain to you why I feel like this is such an important tool for every practitioner, practice manager alike. Tell you a bit about me. So I'm Deb and I've literally been working for nearly 25 years as a practice manager in allied health. I've worked with some physios, exercise physiologists, dietitians, counsellors, podiatrists over my 25 years, and I love the industry. This is why, in one of the big reasons why I actually really wanted to create this manual for you. So in my years of experience, obviously I've worked in quite a few different practices and I've set them up. I've either started with new practitioners, new practice owners, and found that there was something missing, which was basically a one-stop shop for everything you could possibly need to set up a practice or continue growing your practice. So I could go onto many different websites and I could find this information. So if I went to WorkCover, I could find out what their billables were. If I went onto APA, I could find out what their regulations were. But I couldn't find something that was all in one place. So I have gone and I have written so many policies and procedures for different practices over the years. But I thought, why don't we try and find something that can make us all compliant together? So I have a big passion for integration in health. You know, I've worked in many multidisciplinary practices now, and what benefits people get from having integrated health is fantastic. And I want to help you have the tools at your fingertips so it makes life easier. So you practitioners can be practitioners. Leave the paperwork behind. Let's just concentrate on why you became a practitioner. And for practice managers, by having this manual that I'm writing at the moment, it's a long way along already. Still a bit to go, but it's going to cover things like governance. It's got safety and care. It's got administration, NDIS, and we know that NDIS is such a big thing now. So what I want this manual to do is to give you the tools to actually have all your policies and procedures written. So we know when you're going along and you're trying to do your audit process, if you have done that yet or you're not going to do that, you do require a lot of information. So my aim and my vision for what the Australian Allied Health Manual is to give you all these tools at your fingertip. So then you can actually implement them in your practice now to help your practice grow. Because it's what we all want. We all want to, take care of our clients, number one. But then we also want to see business growth. So this is going to aid you in actually being able to do this and achieve this. So I would like to talk through the different modalities that I think this will benefit. So as you can see on the screen, we've got, physios, diabetes educators, speech pathologists, OTs, podiatrists, rehab, all of the things that encompass in allied health. And I am so excited to start helping you, whether you are a new graduate and you're just coming into the industry. We know that a bunch of you are probably going to graduate very soon, and I'm so excited for you. Congratulations. But, some people don't know what their next step is. What do I do once I'm graduated? I want to help you with these tools and work through them. So, the other thing that I have been very passionate about in this industry is compliance. Whilst most people are doing a fantastic job of it, there are little things that let some practices down that need to be kept on top of. Obviously, you've got your CPD that your industries require you to do, but there's little things like being compliant on your clinical notes and making sure that you have, clear history of everybody that you see. And that also works into integration. So if you're trying to hand over a client, say they're going from physio to exercise physiology, having those compliant notes aids the next practitioner in line, give that client better care. So these are little tools that, I will be popping up on to the manual and also doing little courses that I'm really excited to do. So yes, I've spoken, we've got the manual. It's going to even break down to things like finances and billings. And obviously each practice has different software. So basically you will have a policy, and the procedure, I will give you a template that then we just write to your practice. So this is something that I'm going to offer as an option with coaching. If you just don't want to do the manual on your own and you need a little bit of help, more than happy to do some coaching with you, whether it's a practice manager or the owner or practitioners, whoever it may be, and help you guide you through that manual. As much as I'm hoping it's going to be quite an easy manual to get through, obviously sometimes we just need a little bit of help on getting that all done. I'll be doing these podcasts as well, and I'll be covering like a range of different topics over time. So look, there can be anything from giving you something that's been updated in the industry. So whether that's a governing body, whether that's an insurance company, whatever it may be, I'll just throw you little podcasts every now and then and just show you, updates as I see them. Everything will always be updated in the manual, but I will just send you these regular updates of anything that comes to my knowledge that I think might help somebody. And obviously the templates that I will be including in the manual will be everything from NDIS service agreements, which we know is a bit of a task to write. So, there'll be everything from taking a phone call to how do you want your clients to be addressed? What forms do you want them to complete when they come in? I think there's hundreds that I'm writing at the moment. So if I don't have it in there, I'll be actually asking you guys to let me know, what am I missing? Or ask me a question. So I have an immense passion for allied health. Clients' care is so big on my realm of thinking. So writing the Australian Allied Health Manual is not just about helping the practitioners. To me, this is actually going to help client care. And by me giving you these tools, it will basically streamline your processes. And as I said earlier, help you become better carers, and be completely client focused, because you've got all this stuff in front of you. You've got your policies and your procedures. So really excited to, work you through all of that. If you jump on and you can have a look and subscribe to these podcasts, it will notify you of every time that I come up with something new. And as I said, if it happens weekly, I'll be sharing it weekly. If it's fortnightly, I'll be sharing it fortnightly. Whatever it happens, when it happens, I will come to you and let you know. And one thing that I did only come across in the last 2 weeks, which I'm actually wanted to share in my next podcast with you, is Department of Veterans Affairs put out a new change in their procedures as of the 1st of September. So I was working through that in my current, practice that I'm working in, and it was about changes of billings between certain modalities. So you need to actually receive prior approval and things like this to be able to continue their treatment care. I want to go through that step by step with you. This one will be in particular for physios and exercise physiologists, but it's just a small thing that I didn't know until I went in and did all the research. We didn't get notified, so I had to go in and find out, make phone calls. And now I've got that information that I can put into my practice. And they're the little things that I really look forward to sharing with you as I come across them. As I said, so if you jump on, hit subscribe to this channel. I will keep you updated as much as I can. I am so excited to launch this manual to help you all improve your growth in your business. It's what it's all about, like looking after your clients, but growing your practice. So stay tuned to me, guys. I cannot wait, and I'm really excited to keep going with you. So we'll talk again soon. Thanks very much.